Hello everyone, this is Kian from Medyo Otaku Show. On today's episode, babalikan natin ang Laptop Factory. At ito'y naganap sa Ayala Fairview Terraces noong June 1st. So, alamin natin ang tungkol sa event na to. So, if you're excited to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Let's go! Alright, so that was all for the video for today, and let me know in the comment sections anong masasabi nyo sa Laptop Factory. Feel free to comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to send a thumbs and consider subscribing. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. This is Kian, signing off. Matane!